The Hindustan Ambassador Classic isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon. Launched in 1958 and inspired by the British Morris Oxford Series 3, the Ambassador became the face of Indian roads for over 5 decades. Its round silhouette, chrome grille, and wide stance gave it a stately presence. But more than looks, it was built for endurance, handling India's rough terrain with grace, power and simplicity. The Ambassador Classic wasn't about flashy performance. Its strength lay in its simplicity. With its 1.5L or 2.0L engines over the years, including the trusted Isuzu diesel in later models, the car was never fast, but always dependable. Mechanics across the country could fix it with basic tools, and that made it ideal for both urban traffic and remote villages. A symbol of status and governance. For decades, the white Ambassador with a red beacon symbolized power. It was the chosen ride of Indian politicians, bureaucrats, and top government officials. Its roomy rear seat and suspension made it ideal for long journeys and official convoys. The Ambassador didn't just transport people, it carried authority, beloved by families and taxi drivers alike. Whether it was used as a family car or a Kolkata taxi, the Ambassador was deeply trusted. It could fit the entire family, luggage, and even a goat or two during village travels. Its boot was massive, the ride was smooth, and the cabin had that old-school charm, airy and spacious with metal knobs and analog meters. Fading out but never forgotten. Production finally ended in 2014. The roads began filling with sleeker sedans and compact cars. But for many Indians, no vehicle evokes nostalgia like the Ambassador Classic. It's now a prized possession for vintage car collectors and retro car lovers alike. Some even converted into EVs to bring it back on the road in a new avatar. A tribute from Ride Radar. At Ride Radar, we celebrate machines that shaped history. The Hindustan Ambassador Classic is more than a car, it's a time capsule on 4 wheels. Whether you grew up riding in one or dream of owning a restored model, this legend lives on in our hearts and highways. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive heritage and stories from the road.